Good morning, class 7. Uh, I guess you all are safe, happy, doing good, healthy, and leading a disciplined life and enjoying everything. That is how we should go ahead with our lives at this moment, isn't it? So, I hope good news comes in, school opens soon, and we can get to school and get things done, discuss everything like what happened. I want to know a lot. Uh, Waiting to discuss with you, talk to you, and getting to know quite a few things which is very much needed to know. So, let's start. We were there with your what do you say, the civics part. We were there with pillars of democracy. Now we are going to come. You have to do the choose the correct answers and everything. I'll only do the long answers. I'll put it up on the website for you. Now we are going to go to democracy in action. What is democracy in action? Isn't it? So we have come to know. I'll just open the book. Let's go to that page. Democracy you come to know. Chapter 1 was democracy. Everyone is equal before the law. We came to know that. Democracy meaning the rule of common people, derived from the Greek word demokratia, combining demos, common people, and kratos means power, common people's power. It means for the people, by the people, and to the people. By the people, for the people, and to the people. A country's democracy can operate only if there is equality there. Democratic society, political democracy has to be there. So now, after that, we went to the pillars of democracy. What does that mean? Enlightened citizens we need. We need a wise leadership, accommodation of differences, we must accommodate them. Disciplined life, citizens. Then we come to disciplined political parties, social and economic equality. The rule of law, which is essential element of democracy, means that every citizen is equal before the law. We also have a judicial system which can approach if justice has been denied to him or her. But does this guarantee justice and fairness in the everyday life of people? There can be some people who think they are superior to others. Their arrogance may make them look at others as inferior human beings, slaves or servants. Do we treat our servants properly sometimes? Do we treat our servants properly sometimes? No. We are always trying to dominate people who are below us. We don't talk properly, we don't behave properly. The way we speak, people get hurt. Isn't it? Right? That is what happens. We tend to hurt others. Every individual is equal. But is it happening? Suppose if we don't get justice, we go to the court, something wrong has happened with us. That happens. Equality here means democracy, you have to understand what is equality, is a condition in which satisfactory open doors are given to everybody, all. Equal right to vote in a vote based nation like India, grown ups independent of the religion, position, training, status or place of birth are given the right to vote under the universal adult franchise. We'll come to that later. Right? The Indian Constitution perceives each individual as an equivalent. Everyone is equal. In any case, it doesn't imply that disparity does not exist in India. That we don't have disparity. This is large, this is small. In the eyes of law. Four arrangements are there in the balance of India, which is under the correspondence, always under the watchful eye of the law. Four arrangements are there. No segregation on the premises of rank, shading, religion, race, sex, approaches. Everybody approaches every single open place, and untouchability has been cancelled. The legislature has attempted to actualize balance first through our laws, discipline, and second through government projects or plans to help burdened groups, those who are lot of burden on them, problems. Programs like noontime feast plots have been propelled to enhance the participation and enrollment proportion of youngsters in schools. Food is also given in schools. You know that. This is a balance in democracy. Okay, basic information I gave you. That is what we are going to do in the democracy part. Okay. Now, what is equality, you come to know? Equality is the key feature of democracy. It gives you a concept of dignity. The government's role in passing laws and instituting policies is also discussed. Correct? Equal right to vote. That is called the universal adult franchise. Apart from poor people also, people in India experience inequality which is based on the caste system is there. You are recognizing your own dignity. When persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Dignity is a right of a person to be valued and respected for their own sake and should be treated ethically. Sometimes we don't give dignity to our friends also, right? We don't talk to them properly. Hey, you shut up, go. You don't know anything. You are useless. But that friend has given you a small point. That friend must be not knowing. So why don't you help that person? Give that dignity, respect. I don't tell anyone in the class. Yes, I do tell some children, you are not studying. If you don't study, this will happen to you. Why don't you leave studies if you don't want to study? This I say. But I encourage, I talk to everybody. I listen to everybody. I don't say, oh, you don't study, I don't want to talk to you. This is your first year with. No, this is your second year, sorry. Second year, this is class 7, I thought this is class 5. Anyways. So you have seen me. I talk to everybody. I try to get inside you. I try to get inside your brain. Because if you don't talk, I won't know what is your capability. I cannot get inside your stomach and inside your brain and say, oh, okay, this. If you stay quiet, you have to open up. I'll come back in the next video.